Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a pre-primed 14 by 14 inch canvas and I just want to mess around. That was Dancing Fuchsia. This is Maiden Black. Big brush. This is a little blue velvet. And some royal sapphire. And a little bit of Rhapsody rose. Colors will be under the video. I'm going to wipe off my tool. I'm going to throw a little gold. Decorative Americana 24 karat gold in there. A little frozen. Although whatever if it were open. Oh, I got some cells from the black and the Dancing Fuchsia. Just in case you're wondering, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just having fun. That's saffron. This is pink carnation. Grab some Tuscan Sun. A little more Rhapsody Rose. Might grab some Pink Diamond or Jasmine or something red. I've got Poinsettia that I hope is not unmixed, and it seems like it's okay. What else have I got? I've got Frosted Berry and Water Lily. I want Water Lily. Right there. I need a different size brush. There's the perfect size. Kind of like the white spot, so of course if I talk about it I have to make it go away. So I really love Dancing Fuchsia, and I think like there's going to be a bunch more of it. But I also like it with orange. I've got beautiful colors on my spatula. It's not a spatula, it's a brush. It's a silicone rubber brush, and I will have, if I'm smart, I will have put the link in the video. I don't get any credit for it unless you use my Amazon link, which is also somewhere available. I know not where. It's under the video somewhere. That makes me want some blue. Some more black. Can always add black tomorrow. Did not mean to smear that. I'm hearing the call to some African Violet. That worked okay. I'll use my residuals to the best of my ability anyway. So, African Violet. I never did anything with that orange. I will. I might want some more gold. And a different brush. So far using the wet sponge is okay. Not hurting anything. It's a Dangerous game I'm playing, wet into wet. More cerulean blue. But it's awful lot of fun for me. I don't really have to be careful, which is nice. I think there's room for a little bit of sour lemon. If I can get some to come out. Maybe it needs to be over here. And I need a darker purple, and I have one. Indigo violet. It needs to be bigger. Alright, I'm playing with fire, leaving that brush untended. I'm feeling like maybe some orange over here. Again, and I'm going to use the residuals. And that's kind of cool. I like the white, but it's the only spot and it's right in the middle, so I think it's going to go away. And I'm either going to keep this because I like it the way it is, or I'm going to do something else with it entirely tomorrow. For right now, I've got paint on my brush. No reason not to use it. I want a little bit more. I would want it more indigo violet, but there's no chance that that's happening. Not without some work. Well, that was different. Just stick my residuals right over the edge. Alright, let me wipe off the brush. Have a look. See what I need to do, if there's anything left to do now. I think I'm going to play some more with the black. Just to see how I like it. Might want to get rid of this pink first. See if I can get away with this. It kind of worked. It was risky, but it was worth the risk. So that means I can do the same thing all over the place if I want to. Got a new little black spot where I didn't expect one. I kind of like the canvas showing through, but for some reason I can't let myself keep it. There, I'm pretty happy with that. I could do mark making in this pretty easily. But I've been liking some plainer, less enhanced things lately quite a bit. I'm going to do a little bit more though. There, for all intents and purposes, I'm going to call that finished. I'll probably put black around the edges. I know I will actually. Ooh, that's pretty nice from up here. Cool. So this is the next day and this is dry, and to tell you the truth, if I liked it less, I'd be more interested in adding some dots or some texture, and I wish I'd done two at the same time so I could do that, but this is the way it's going to be for right now until I change my mind. So that's the dry piece. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.